Combat Overlays for Premiere Pro. Here's the folder you have just downloaded from Envato or from Elements. And the mode folder is all you need for Premiere Pro. There's 4K HD portrait and square aspect ratio of these combat overlays. In our example, we will use the HD. Drag and drop all these HD mode files and drop them in your Essential Graphics menu in the Browse panel. Then select them and drop them in your timeline. Let's see how you can customize these overlays. Selecting your overlay, you have some options here in the Essential Graphics menu in the Edit panel this time. First of all, you need to place the placeholder here. So drop your media and then start customizing the effect, beginning from the tint color, which can be changed. Adjust the vignette, the grain, the blind's opacity, blind's number, and blind's feather. After editing your image, you have the color for the shapes, and then you can adjust the lines. There is a drop-down menu including 10 safe lines, these lines, and there is also the width of these lines. You can uncheck whether you need this golden ratio and proceed to the bottom numbers. There is a checkbox for these bottom numbers here. Position can be adjusted as well as the scale. Custom text is this text on the top. You can adjust the colors, adjust the fonts, and of course edit the text. There are 4 icons using drop-down menu where you can select all these icons. This is the landscape icon. You can use the position to move it as well as the scale. There is also a placeholder for these icons, which is the last options below. Same for number 2, number 3, and number 4. There's a battery indicator. You can adjust the size, use the position, and there is also a handy slider for the battery inside. Volume meter, it's a scale and toggle between the horizontal and the vertical. Of course, you can use the position and the scale for this. Recording, there's a checkbox for this, position and scale. Let's see another example. Let's go to the binoculars, drop it in your timeline, select it, use the placeholder, drop your media inside and adjust the scale. The main color, which is this on the side, reflection opacity, outer reflection opacity, lens adjustment, lens distortion, reflection color, which is this color on top and bottom, inner reflection opacity, this color on the outside, inner color, and many features like the dust opacity, the dust inside the lenses. There's a drop-down menu for target selection. You can use 5 targets. Color control for your media placeholder. And there is a grain control, camera shake, and color shift. Let's go to the rifle. Select your mode file, go to the placeholder area, drop your media, adjust the colors for the rifle, use the slider for the outer reflection opacity, adjust the lens, and this is really similar to our previous, the binocular settings. Let's go to our radar. Here again, you place your media in the placeholder, and you can use the position and the scale for this. Adjust the radar colors and the opacity. Use colors for the select colors for the lines. Use the line width, lines opacity, and lines spacing, as you see here. There is also an adjustment for the grid, opacity, grid width, and finally there's an option for the world map behind. You can use the scale and the position as well. Let's see the X-ray. Select place your media and adjust the settings for the noise, the color for the X-ray, brightness, contrast, and everything you need to make a custom X-ray result. Finally, there's the thermal overlay. Select it, go to the placeholder area, drop your media, select it, and use these drop down menus to fine tune your result. I really hope you enjoy working with these combat overlays for Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.